Now we are going to see the topic optoelectronic devices. Optoelectronic is a device which converts electrical energy into light and light into electrical energy through semiconductors. Optoelectronic device is an electronic device which utilizes light for useful applications. We will discuss some important optoelectronic devices, namely light emitting diode, solar cell and photodiodes. The first one, light emitting diode. What is light emitting diode? Light emitting diode are the most widely used semiconductor diode among all the different types of semiconductor diode available today. LED emit either visible light or invisible infrared light when forward bias. The LED which emit invisible infrared light are used for remote controls. A light emitting diode is an optical semiconductor device that emits light when voltage is applied. In other words, LED is an optical semiconductor device that converts electrical energy into light energy. When light emitting diode is forward bias, free electron in the conduction band recombine with a hole in the valence band and the release energy in the form of light. A transparent window is used to allow light to travel in the desired direction. An external resistor in series with a biasing source is required to limit the forward current through the LED. In addition, it has two leads, anode and cathode. How light emitting diodes work? Light emitting diode work only in the forward bias condition. When light emitting diode is forward biased, the free electron from N side and the holes from P side are pushed towards the junction. When free electron reach the junction or deflection region, some of the free electrons recombine with the holes in the electrons. We know that positive ions have less number of electrons than protons. Therefore, they are ready to accepted electrons. Thus, free electrons recombine with the holes in the deflection region. In the similar way, holes from B side recombine with the electrons in the deflection region. Because of the recombination of free electron and holes in the deflection region, the width of the deflection region decreases. As a result, more charge carrier will cross the PN junction. Some of the charge carrier from P side and N side will cross the PN junction. Therefore, during recombination process, energy is released in the form of light, radioactive or heat, non-radioactive. For radioactive recombination, a photon of energy h nu is emitted. For non-radioactive recombination, energy is liberated in the form of heat. The color of the light is determined by the energy band cap of the material. Therefore, LEDs are available in wide range of color such as blue, green and red. Nowadays, LED which emit white light is also available. Applications of LED. The various applications of LEDs are as follows. The first one, indicator lamps on the front panel of the scientific and laboratory equipments. The next one, 7-segment displays. Then traffic signal, emergency vehicle lighting, etc. The last one, remote control of television, air conditioner, etc. The second one, photodiode. What is photodiode? A photodiode is a PN junction or pin semiconductor device that consumes light energy to generate electric current. It is also sometimes referred as photodetector, photosensor or light detector. The photodiode are specially designed to operate in reverse bias condition. Reverse bias means the P side of the photodiode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and the N side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The symbol of the photodiode is shown in the figure. The direction of arrows indicate that the light is incident on the photodiode. The device consists of a PN junction semiconductor made up of photosensitive material kept safely inside a plastic. It has a small transparent window that allows light to be incident on the PN junction. Photodiode can generate current when the PN junction is exposed to light and hence are called light sensor. When a photon of sufficient energy hν strikes the deflection region of the diode, some of the valence band electrons are elevated into the conduction band. In turn, holes are developed in the valence band. This creates electron-hole pairs. The amount of electron-hole pair generated depends on the intensity of light on the PN junction. Photon hν deflection regionல strike ஆகும்போது electrons valence bandல இருந்து conduction bandக்கு போகும். இதனால valence bandல holes form ஆகுது. This create electrons hole pair. The amount of electron hole pair depends on the intensity of the light incident on the PN junction. The electron and holes are swept across the PN junction. Electric field created the reverse voltage before recombination take place. Therefore, hole move towards the N side and electron towards the B side. When the external circuit is made, the electrons flow through the external circuit and constitute the photo current. When the incident light is zero, they exit reverse current which is negligible. The reverse current in the absence of any incident light is called dark current and due to thermally generated minority carrier. Photodiode application. The first one, alarm system, count item on a conveyor belt, photoconductors, comfort displays, smoke detectors. The last one, medical applications such as detectors for computer tomography, etc. The third one, solar cell. A solar cell, also known as a photovoltaic cell, converts light energy directly into electricity or electric potential difference by photovoltaic effect. It is basically PN junction which generate EMF when solar radiation fall on the PN junction. A solar cell into two types, P-type and N-type. Both types use a combination of P-type and N-type silicon which together form the PN junction of the solar cell. The difference is the P-type solar cell use P-type silicon as base with an ultra-thin layer of N-type silicon. When N-type solar cell use the opposite combination. In the other side of the P silicon coated with metal which form the back electrical contact. On the top of the N-type silicon metal, grid is deposited which acts as a front electrical contact. The top of the solar cell is coated with the anti-reflection coating and glass. In the solar cell, electron hole pair are generated due to the absorption of light near the junction. Then the charge carrier are separated due to the electric field of the deflection region. Solar cell உள்ள electron hole pair junction பக்கத்துல உள்ள absorption light நால form ஆகுது. Electron hole pair separated by a deflection region. Electron move towards the N-type silicon layer, hole move towards the P-type silicon layer. N side la varum electron coated by the front contact and P side ku vara holes collected by back electrical contact. Solar cell la potential difference form ஆகுது when an external load is connected to the solar cell. Photo current flow through the load. Many solar cells are connected together either in series or in parallel combination to form solar panel or module. Many solar panels are connected with each other to form solar arrays. For high power application, solar panel and solar arrays are used. Application of solar cells. The first one, solar cells are widely used in calculator, watches, toys, portable power supplies, etc. Solar cells are used in satellite and space application. Solar panels are used to generate electricity.